In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete templates in HubSpot without destroying your site. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where old templates are cluttering your HubSpot account and you're worried about accidentally messing up your website, you've come to the right place. Taking you through these careful steps will ensure you can expertly manage your templates, keeping your HubSpot portal clean and efficient. First, let's get started by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by going to hubspot.com in your web browser of choice. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the HubSpot login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Make sure to use the correct login details to avoid any hassle on the way in. Once you're successfully logged into your account, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. From here, find and click on the library option. The library is essentially your command center for managing all content assets in HubSpot, including templates. It's a crucial step as it directly leads you to where all your templates are stored. Now that you are inside the library, your next move is to find the templates section. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of all your existing templates. It might look overwhelming at first, but rest assured, organizing these will make your workspace far more efficient. Browse through these to locate the template you wish to delete. Having found the template you want to remove, look for the Actions drop-down menu nearby. Clicking on it opens up several options. For this purpose, we are focusing on how to delete, so go ahead and click on Delete. At this point, HubSpot will likely prompt you to confirm your decision to delete the template. It's a last safety net ensuring that important templates aren't accidentally removed, leading to unintended issues on your website. This is where you should double check if this is indeed the template you intend to delete. Once confirmed, proceed with the deletion. With these steps completed, you've successfully removed a template from HubSpot without affecting your site. Remember, while it's a straightforward process, it's always best practice to have a recent backup of your site before deleting templates, just in case you need to restore something. Maintaining an organized template library helps streamline your operations and supports a smoother workflow within HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on HubSpot and other digital tools.